first flag which was used by the Delhi Sultanate in the year 1206. This flag was used in India by Hariharan and Buttaraya from Vijayanagara Empire in 1336. This flag was used in India by Kingdom of Mysore in the year 1339. This flag was used in the Qutub Shahi Kingdom of Golconda in the year 1518. This flag was used in India by Mughal Empire. It is called as Alaram, used in the year 1526. This flag was used by Chhatrapati Shivaji Raj Maharaj in the year 1674. This flag was used by Padmanabhapuram Kingdom of Travancore in the year 1729. This flag was used by Sikh Empire Multan Peshwar in the year 1799. This is the flag which was used by Britisher in India, East Indian Company in the year 1801. This is also British flag which was used in India, Imperial India, Blue Ensign in the year 1857. This is only one more flag used by British Raj, Red Ensign in the year 1880. This flag was used in Swadeshi movement in India by Indians in the year 1906. It is called Calcutta flag. This flag was raised by Madam Bikaji Kama in the year 1907. It is called Indian Nationalist flag. This was the flag used in 1907. It is called version of early Indian national flag. In 1917, as a part of the Home Rule movement, Annie Besant and Balaganga Tilak hoisted another flag in the year 1917. In 1921, at the Bejawada, now Vijayawada, session of Congress of Young Freedom Fighter, Pingali Venkaya presented a design of a flag to Mahatma Gandhi. In 1931, a resolution was passed adopting Pingali Venkaya flag with a little modification. This flag was adopted by the Indian National Congress Party. Finally, in July 1947, the Constitution Assembly finally adopted the flag of Free India. This is came to be called Tiranga. Proud to be an Indian, Vande Mataram.